From tomorrow, every Saturday, Jennifer Khan, be attentive in the class. Keep away all the playing thing. Okay. From tomorrow, every Saturday, there will be online weekly test. Every Saturday. Okay, it will be continue every Saturday. You know that. So, as all subjects are now in your routine, as all subjects are running simultaneously, so in this day, 20 question will be there from all subjects. Okay, from all subject like math, computer, Bengali, science, SST, English, GK, Hindi. 20 question will be there from all subjects. Understand? For Bengali and science, as I take these two subjects, so I'm telling you about these two. For Bengali, the last chapter that we did yesterday, completed yesterday, so Bengali question will be there from Dosham part. Understand? বেঙ্গলিতে দশম পাঠ থেকে প্রশ্ন থাকবে, not more than 2. Atrin, be attentive. Okay, from each subject there will be 2 questions, 2 maximum 3. From science, the chapter is water, that we completed before our vacation, and weather and season. Or else I can give you only question from weather and season, because we are doing this chapter now. So for tomorrow exam, question will be there from water and weather season. These 2 chapters for science, and for Bengali, Dosham part only. Okay, is it clear? Okay, and for other subject, kindly talk to the teacher. Okay, kindly talk to the respective teacher. They will inform you that from which chapter they are going to give you question. Understand? Yes, Rahat.
Ma'am, what is science chapter?
I just said now, weather and season and water. Okay, is it okay, Rahat? Water, the chapter we completed before the vacation, water, and this chapter weather and season. Maximum 3 question will be there from science, and 2 question from Bengali Dosham part. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Akibuddin.
Ma'am, I go to toilet.
No, just look at the clock. You just join in the class and this is the first period and you are asking me for toilet. This is not the third period or last period. This is the first period. So, sorry, I can't allow you for toilet. Please, let first period over, then go. Now, everyone, now be attentive that the last day in the last class, we stop up to winter season. So, today we will start from monsoon. Okay, so you all are advised to open page number 70. Monsoon. So, this is monsoon begins in the middle of June and continues up to September. During this season, what we get? During this season, the sky is covered with cloud and it rains a lot. Sometimes rain comes along with lightning and thunder. I hope you know lightning means that we say in Bengali that biddut chomkano, and thunder means baj pora. The rainwater fills the well, pond, lake, river, seas and ocean. Sakibuddin, turn on your camera. We use an umbrella, raincoat and gumboot to protect ourselves from getting wet. We like to make paper boats. And play in the rain. Sometimes we see a rainbow. Rainbow is a band of 7 colors. Underline this sentence and also within bracket. What is rainbow? Rainbow is a band of 7 colors. Next one is Spring season. So during the spring season, weather is neither cold nor hot. Spring is the season when the weather is either hot or not cold. It is very pleasant. Pleasant mean monorom, enjoyable season. The trees bring new leaves. The trees bring new leaves on their branches. The garden grows new grass and bloom colorful flowers. So this is a very beautiful season among all seasons, spring season. The birds twitter in the trees and bushes. Twittering means sound of the bird. Autumn. Autumn. During the autumn season, weather is neither cold nor hot, just like spring season. Like spring, autumn is also same. Okay, spring that we say during this autumn season, the weather is also same like spring season, and it is mostly dry and windy. So this is the main difference between spring and autumn season. The spring season, it is mostly dry season and also windy. The leaves turn yellow as they dry and all fall from the trees. Underline this sentence. These are very important. That this is the main changing part of these two seasons. That in spring season, the trees bring new leaves on their branches. But in the autumn season, the leaves turn yellow. Turn yellow means হলুদ হয়ে যায় and they dry and fall from the trees. So in the autumn season, leaves fall from the tree. গাছ থেকে পাতা পড়ে যায়. But in the spring season, the tree brings new leaves. So this is the main difference between these two seasons. Understand? Achha, now look at this true fact. It is written that once the leaves turn yellow in which season? I just said autumn season. So once the leaf turn yellow, they become dead and fall from the tree. But some trees have naturally yellow color leaves. Naturally yellow color leaves, it's saying that normally in autumn season, the leaves turn yellow and easily it fall from the tree. But there are also few trees which the color of the leaves are all naturally yellow. কিছু কিছু গাছের পাতা এমনি yellow. Okay, that it doesn't mean that it is very much dry. Okay, so this is the meaning of this true fact. Okay, now everyone, we will do this, we'll solve this question answer. Okay, so you also will do with me. Take a pencil and start doing this exercise. Name the following. Okay, so I think a condition of air at any given place and time. I'm unmuting you so that you can give me the answer, but one by one. Please don't turn the class into a fish market. Okay, give the answer politely and softly so that I can hear your voice. Achha, number one, a condition of air at any given place and time is
winter.
winter. No spot. Condition of air. Achha, 1 minute. Who is saying winter? Who is saying condition of air at any given place and time? This is not winter. This is weather. It is already.
Weather. Fourth one is winter.
Who is no? It is not winter. I said to go through the chapter very carefully.
One is winter.
Achha,
Season.
1 minute. One by one. Okay. Question number 2. When one type of weather stays for many days or months, it is called
Season.
Yes.
Ma'am, season. Ma'am, season.
Okay. Hot wind blow throughout the day in the summer season called
Lu.
Lu. Who is saying low? Who is saying low? It is Lu. Lu. Cold wind blow and thick fog often hide the sun. Winter.
Winter season.
Okay. The band of 7 colors. Okay, very good. Now do this. Choose and write the correct option.
April.
Give me some time to do this. Hey, Orindram, speak in English. Hindi is not allowed because this is not Hindi class. Okay, speak in English. Two number, I just written here, season. The answer is here. See, this is the answer of this season. Summer season starts from the month of April, May, June. April. Which fruit do we enjoy in summer season? Mango. Acha, mango and watermelon, both. Very good. December and January are the main month of summer, winter. Winter. Very good. Okay. We use a dash to protect ourselves from getting wet. Okay, very good. Now start second page. Go to the second page and please mute yourself.
Answer is what?
Mute yourself first. Acha, question answer, no?
Answer is spring season.
Which one?
Which one? Which one, ma'am? Season. Spring.
Oh, okay.
Season.
Yes.
Season.
Spring new leaves on their branches. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now listen to me. Now listen to me. Exercise question. Yes, Orindram, say. Yes, Orindram. What do you want to say?
Question number 4.
Who is speaking in Bengali repeatedly? Speaking repeatedly in Bengali. I can't understand.
Ma'am, question number 4 is raincoat.
And it is a very easy question and you are asking me for answer. Question number 4. We use a dash to protect ourselves from getting red. Answer is raincoat. Raincoat. Acha. Exercise C. What is weather and answer of this question? Inside question answer, I will give you. Through study material.
Can I see what is weather?
1 minute, I'm giving you a task. Just please wait. I'm giving you a task. Now do this one. Now do this. Right now, do this. Color the rainbow and also write the name of the colors you use. Do this now. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it very fast. Do it very fast. Okay, so take out the color of this rainbow. Acha, 1 minute, 1 minute. I know that right now it will not be possible within 5 minutes to color this. Okay, this is the homework. Do it and send me the photo in the group. But positively, you have to do this. This is the homework, okay? This is the homework. color the rainbow and also name the color you use. This means here you have to write in the given place, you have to write the name of 7 colors of a rainbow. And listen to me properly, student. Don't use a very wrong color. No one is allowed to use a wrong color. Okay, this is your homework to find out the 7 colors of rainbow. Okay, you have to find out the 7 colors of rainbow and have to do this. Okay, whatever color you can't apply because there are few specific color, specific 7 color, those who make a rainbow. So for rainbow, you have to use the particular color. Okay, so this is your homework. And someone was saying that, acha, yes, Ankush have completed when? Okay, acha, student, just listen to me. Okay, very good. Now listen to me. As I said that from every chapter you have to solve the project. See, there is a project idea. Look at your book, Afroz, Fatiha. Don't ask me later. Everything I'm telling you in the class, be attentive. Afroz, you are playing with a paper. Why? Look at your book. Project idea. What is the project? Collect the picture of food item we eat in different season and make a collage of it. Collage mean, do you know? A paper where small picture to paste. So you no need to collect the picture of food. You have to draw the food item that we eat in different season. Like I'm telling you, for summer you can draw, have to make a project like in heading you have to write summer season. After that you will give a heading that fruit we eat in summer season are mango and watermelon. Okay, similarly in winter, what food we like to adjust, like in winter mainly, you can tell me the food also. Cauliflower, cabbage, these are the few vegetables that we eat in mainly in winter season, and for spring, for autumn. So you just have to write the name of the food with their picture. Okay, if you want, see, it is written everywhere, it is written which food we mainly eat in this season, in different season. Understand? So this is your homework. You will get one assignment for this project. And it is very easy. I hope you will enjoy to do this. Make your own paper board with the help of this given picture. Do you need a help? Do you need help? I think no. Everyone can make a paper board. So it is up to you. Your paper board color can be pink, can be yellow, can be black, and can be decorated paper board. So it's up, depend on you how you want to make your paper board. Okay, understand? So what is your homework? First of all, you have to color this rainbow. Then this project, collect the picture of food item we eat in different season and have to make one paper board. These three are your homework for Monday. I will check all this homework next week. But in the meantime, if you can make it, you can send me in the group.
Ma'am, food